Are you tired of leads sitting with the wrong owner, slowing down your sales? Learn to reassign any lead in under 30 seconds. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to change a lead owner. We'll cover the Lead tab, the drop-down menu, and selecting the new user. Start by clicking on the Leads tab in the navigation bar. Then, from the list of leads, click the drop-down menu next to the lead you want to reassign. From that menu, select Change Owner to open the Owner Assignment dialog. In the search bar that appears, type the name of the new owner you'd like to assign. Click on the user from the search results to select them. Finally, click Submit to confirm the owner change. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.